By the end of this video, you will know how to link your Coinbase account to TurboTax. We start by signing in to your TurboTax account. Enter your account credentials and continue to the main dashboard. Once you are in, look for the Documents area. Depending on the version of TurboTax you are using, this may appear in the main navigation or within your tax file workspace, but the label you need is Documents. Open Documents, then select the Linked Accounts tab. This is where TurboTax shows any financial accounts that are already connected, and it is also where you can add a new one. When the Linked Accounts section opens, you will see a list of available providers or a search field to help you find the one you need. From here, select Coinbase from the list. If you do not see it right away, use the search option and type Coinbase, then choose it from the results. Make sure you pick the correct service before moving forward, since TurboTax may display several account connection options in the same area. After selecting Coinbase, click Continue. TurboTax will then move you to the sign-in flow for Coinbase. At this point, sign in to your Coinbase account using your usual login details. If Coinbase asks for any normal verification step during sign-in, complete that on your side and continue to the permissions screen. Once you are signed in, review the requested permissions carefully. This screen explains what TurboTax is asking to access from your Coinbase account so it can import the relevant tax data. Read through the access details before you approve the connection. You are looking for the option that confirms TurboTax can connect to Coinbase for this import process. When you're ready, click Allow Access. That approval links the two accounts and sends you back into TurboTax so the import can begin. After that, wait while TurboTax imports your Coinbase data. This may take a moment, depending on the amount of data being pulled in and how quickly the connection completes. If the screen appears to pause briefly, give it a few seconds to finish processing. When the import is complete, return to the Linked Accounts tab if TurboTax does not place you there automatically. Check the list of connected accounts and confirm that your Coinbase account now appears under Linked Accounts. This is the final confirmation that the connection was accepted and that TurboTax has recognized the linked account. Your Coinbase account is now linked to TurboTax and listed under Linked Accounts.